Today there was a screening of the film Jai Bhim Comrade, and followed by an interaction with the filmmaker Anand Patwardhan in National Film Archives of India. It was organized by the Film Institute's Students Association, and I'm a final year sound student in FTI, and I also went to watch the screening. And also after that there was a performance of Kabir Kalamanch, and that also happened. And after that we actually came out of the auditorium, which is actually a government premise, National Film Archives of India. And what I could gather was like there was a team of Sangha Parivar was already gathered there from like even before the screening started. Like around 2 o'clock in the afternoon they were there, and but in a very small group, and police persons were also there. And after the screening, these people started, raising narabaji, and like basically they were addressing themselves as ABVP activists, and they had ABVP flag also. They started shouting slogans of ABVP against Naxalism and all. So basically they were targeting the Kabir Kalamanch artist, and they left also as the scene was getting worse. And actually few FTA students were left over there. I mean 5 or 6 of FTA students, and also the filmmaker Anand Patwardhan was also there. Then these people found that we are there and we are the people who organized the screening. They started beating me up basically first, and my friends, colleagues, they came to protect me, and they also got beaten up in a very bad manner. I mean, some of them got severely injured, I mean head injuries and all. I don't have any fracture or something, but I was really, very like hit very badly. But the worst scenario was, while I was getting beaten by 20 people, I was lying on the road in front of National Film Archives of India on the main road, and these people were beating me up with helmet and their dandas of flags and all these things. The same police officer who was present in the afternoon and who asked me about the film and about the program and all as a part of his data collection or something. He is from IB or something. He told me that he is from Prabhat police station, which is very close to our institute. And we talked to him also. He was standing just 2-3 feet away from this incident, and he was just watching it without doing any action. I requested him. I was crying, calling his name. I mean, I don't know his name, but sir, save me, bachao. He started abusing me, and he didn't do anything.
Around 10 days back, Yukpat, which is a Pune-based organization, which basically works with youth on socio-economic issues, had approached FTA Student Association, and we had planned a screening of Anand Patwardhan's film Jai Bhim Comrade, and after that a performance of Kabir Kalamanch. Yesterday when we heard of the murder of anti-superstition activist Narendra Dabholkar, so there was suggestion from some quarters that we should cancel this event honoring him. But we felt that now it is much more significant to hold this event, because the people who are speaking against caste, against superstition are being silenced. So this event assumes much more important significance. Now the program went very well. There was a sizable audience present over there. The screening and the discussion also happened. While the program was going on, around 5 PM, around 10 members of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, which is I believe a student wing of RSS, entered the premises, and they were just observing things over there. Till the program finished, they didn't do anything. But the moment we came outside, when most of the audience members have left, they started raising slogans. Firstly, saying that we guys are indulging in anti-national activities, and after the moment we went about 100 meters, they attacked us with lathis and helmet, and 2 of our friends got badly injured, and one has got stitches on his head. Now this is not a single event, and this is not happening in isolation.